Lead functionality and management tutorial. Leads is a powerful feature in Cloud Quote that allows you to track leads and measure the return on investment from your marketing and advertising campaigns. Specific users can be granted permission to create and maintain leads, depending on their role. To create a lead manually, begin by capturing the relevant client details. Firstly, let's start with basic contact information. The client's name, a contact name of who you are dealing with, their phone number, an email address for the contact, and lastly, their physical address. Then moving on to the client's requirements section, add in the client's requirements, current supplier, and if the client has current equipment or services, this can also be captured. And lastly, you can capture current spend if disclosed. In addition to these fields, you can also capture other relevant information under the company info and disclose a decision maker if applicable. Next, select the source from which the lead originated. These lead sources can be customized in the package editor. Leads can also be created automatically through automation. This includes ingesting inquiries from a website form or other online sources. The source is automatically assigned based on where the lead originated. With the CRM/premium feature enabled, users can also capture memo types such as calls, reminders, and notes against a lead, allowing for better tracking and follow-up. The lead is then made available in the lead pool, where it can either be accepted by a user or assigned by a user with Manage Leads access. You can then assign the lead directly to a sales representative. Once the lead is assigned, refresh the view. You will see that there are no longer any unassigned leads. The lead will automatically be assigned to that user upon creation. An email notification is automatically sent to the assigned user, and the lead will appear in their lead inbox. If the user has the CRM/premium feature enabled, the lead will also be visible on their mobile app. From the lead inbox, the representative can open the lead and convert it into a new quote, with all relevant information already populated. They can then proceed to quote as normal. Once the lead has been quoted, it is removed from the lead inbox. A quote number is generated. The opportunity appears in the representative's pipeline. Existing leads can also be reopened and reassigned at any time from the lead pool. Let's take a quick look at the leads report. Here, you can filter by lead source to track return on investment, view which leads have been converted into quotes, and see the status of each quote. Thank you for watching Cloud Quote. Quick and easy.